Yo, what's up, my people? I'm gonna try to make a short little video. So we're replacing the brake pads and the rotor on both fronts, so it's gonna be a little process. So after you remove the tire, you jack stand for safety. Let me go ahead and get these right here, which is actually these are 14 mil, which I've already loosened up on these. So okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a zip tie. We're gonna get this caliper right here. We're gonna hang it on this spring right here, this strut spring. Zip tie it on there so we can work around this area. I'm gonna try to make this short video as quick as possible. So let's get this one. Oh, you know what? Here, actually, just place it around here. Oh, with this inch. So let's go ahead and get this. I believe this is looks like 11 mil, maybe a 12. Let's set this right here. There's that 12 mil. Now we grab the zip tie. Now we can hang this right here, just so it doesn't get in the way. Alright. Okay, let's disconnect this. So it looks like this back is 17. So it's a 17.
How you doing, man?
Doing good, man. We got the 17s off.
So is that oil change deal going to be worth it with you living in Seguin?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah. Alright, so here's the damage it caused to the rotor.
It's pretty fucking bad, isn't it? I don't know how to read. Yeah, rotor damage.
It's just,
I would imagine it's pretty dramatic.
so it's supposed to be someone like this with a nice polish. You feel that right there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's pretty fucked up.
yeah.
The brakes are getting pretty bad on the on that side actually too.
What's that?
Because I was starting to hear some grinding. At least I'm hoping that's what it was.
Yeah.
You have the old pad still?
Oh my goodness. Let's see something. This bitch. So unfortunately, whenever you go into part stores, sometimes they give you the wrong part, especially if it's a female working.
Yeah.
So right here, looks like a 44749DL. $44,749DL.
Well, what we can
She
do,
gave us the
I have
wrong
Jackson.
parts. I'll get back to you on the next video.